Namaskar. A time comes in the life of an institution when one looks back at the seed that was sown long back, 25 years ago to be precise, and how it has grown into a mighty tree today. In July 1995, a sapling was planted by the name of International College for Girls, which has grown into a banyan tree as IIS deemed to be university. A tree that has blossomed over these years, and each of its blossoms are scattered all across the globe, spreading the fragrance of their parent tree, their alma mater. We are proud of all our students who have passed out of the portals of our institution and have gone on to proving their mettle as world-ready women. They are the precious jewels in our crown, glittering and scattering their illuminating brilliance all over. Welcome to IIS University.
ICG has been a very important landmark in my life. When I joined ICG in college, I did not know what was in store for me. With the wide variety of activities that we got to participate in, the self-confidence, the belief that was instilled in us really helped me to later on do well in my career, whether it was my MBA, my corporate career, then later on to write my book, become an author, and now a journalist. The basic values that were instilled in ICG are something that I can never forget. As the first head girl of the college, it gives me great pride in believing the fact that ICG will and always will be one of the most significant milestones of my life and the way it finally shaped me to become what I am today. I thank all my professors, my teachers, above all my principal, my director, sir, for ensuring that they gave us a home away from home, a college that we could call a place of warmth where we build friendships, where we build relationships that even today hold very strong for us. Thank you so much, ICG.
Hi, it was in the year 1996 when I first stepped into ICG, full of apprehensions. But little did I know that it would become my second home in just no time. ICG, then a very new college, embraced a first batch with all the warmth, and the years spent here were the most formative years of my life. I have to say, at ICG, it was an all-round development. And it was the college ambience that made me enjoy every moment to the fullest. There was never a dull moment, and we looked forward to every single day with utmost enthusiasm and every single activity, thanks to this set of wonderful teachers and professors. Even after almost 20 years, I can't help thanking ICG as I donned different hats. As an entrepreneur, actively participating and helping in the family business, as a homemaker, and last but not the least, a mother of 2 young adults. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ICG.
Taking admission in ICG in the year 1995 was my best decision. ICG has a big role in making me a world citizen. From being an underconfident teenager during the school days to becoming a wellness coach and a social media influencer today, the credit for bringing this change into me goes to the IIS University. I was encouraged to participate in the events during the college days, which helped me get over my stage fright. I was given a platform not just to achieve my academic goals, but to grow holistically, which helps me in managing my personal, social, and professional aspects in today's world. Thank you, ICG, for making me world ready.
वो खुद ही तय करते हैं मंजिल आसमानों की, परिंदों को नहीं दी जाती तालीम उड़ानों की। रखते हैं जो हौसला आसमान छूने का, उन्हें परवाह नहीं होती गिर जाने की। These are the wonderful lines that Dr. Ashok Gupta shared with me many years ago. And till today, I live by these lines. When I entered the portals of ICG, I was just a gawky, shy teenager. And my time spent here has taught me so much. It turned me into a confident young woman ready to face the world. I learned that success means being of service to humanity. Success means becoming a better version of your own self. I hold ICG very close to my heart because I was not only studying in the college, but I was also a hostler. I'm a very proud ICGian. And I'm very thankful to each and everyone at ICG for making me who I am. They helped me not only to excel in academics, but helped me to give my best to extracurricular, to sports, helping build my overall personality. And I hold ICG in my heart, in my thoughts and my prayers always.
Hi. When I entered the portals of IRS University as a teenager many years ago, little did I know that I would exit one day as a world-ready woman. That it would not matter where I go across the globe, I would be ready to embrace life professionally and personally. As I've really enjoyed my professional journey with a not-for-profit aeromedical organization based in Sydney, Australia over the past 12 years, I've always felt this sense of belonging, and I truly feel this sense of pride that I'm contributing to a greater purpose in life. So thank you, IS University, for making me this world-ready woman.
Namaskar, I'm Vinny. I did my Bachelor's of Fine Arts and Specialization in Applied Arts from International College for Girls, Jaipur. Unlike other courses, this was a 4-year course, and I have some beautiful memories from college days. From the beginning, I was very sure that I need to work, and ICG gave me all the constant support to build up the wings to fly and to be ready for the world. I'm here in Canberra, presently working with the Australian government as a Creative Services Officer in the ACT Health Directorate. Advertising, publishing, UI UX design and graphic design come under my expertise. After spending almost 20 years in the design industry, I call myself as a strong and an experienced communication design professional. All these years I've been turning important, dull, boring information into a vibrant, exciting piece of art. When I sit back and I think, I admire the efforts of all my teachers and the college mentors who had put up with me all that while. I'm here because of your blessings. Believe me that you've made a difference in my life, and I'm sure you're impacting so many other lives as well. You taught me more than you'll ever know, and without all of you, I wouldn't have been here where I am today. Thank you.
I passed out of ICG way back in 2001, but my memories are still vivid. The college not only provided me academic perspicuity, but also laid the foundations of an all-round development. I received the unfettered support of all my teachers, and I still fondly remember my teachers like Kulmani Madam, Sharad Madam, and Shikha Madam. I also received the support of the director, Ashok Gupta Sir, who always supported me and helped me in aiming for the highest and getting to it. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Ridhima Chaudhary Sharma, currently working as Additional District and Session Judge in Rajasthan Judiciary. The day I joined ICG, I was this underconfident, tomboyish, indisciplined, just out of the school kind of a girl. And the 3 years of grooming have prepared me immensely well to take the bull by the horns. Trust me, everything counts. The classes, the education, the talks in the canteen with the teachers, the NSS activities, the competitions, all the grooming has prepared me well to take the bull by the horns. Today, I work in judiciary and I try to make all of you proud. I hope ICG will soon hand me over, and I wish luck to the team of ICG, the best team you could ever have. Thank you for giving me what I have and what I have become today. Thank you so much.
My ICG story is a story of serendipity. I started out as a design student. I ended up a journalist. In the 5 years that I was in the college, I think somewhere along the way I learned how to weave stories. I found my voice. I developed the confidence to fail and the ability to try again and to aim higher. I learned how it is important to be rooted in your culture, in your traditions, while aiming for the biggest things in life. And these are lessons that have stood me in good stead. I've been doing what I do for almost 18 years now. I started when I was still in college. And I have so much to thank ICG for. It still feels like home after all these years.
Hello dear friends, my ICG story has been a story of many ups and many downs. It's been a roller coaster ride. ICG taught me a lot of things. Words are not enough to express my gratitude towards my then college and now a deemed university, but I'll still make an attempt. What ICG taught me is unparalleled. It taught me not just how to be a team builder, but it taught me how to be a team leader. It taught me the virtues of hard work and humility going side by side. It also taught me how important are relationships and bonding in life. I just can't thank my teachers enough, my professors enough, and everybody who contributed into making me the woman that I am today. What you see in me is not just what went in me. What you see in me is ICG. I am ICG. Thank you and love you.
I feel amazing to record this video for all of you. I'm Kanika Vijay and I'm presently working as the Brand and Comms Manager for Shell Lubricants India. We all have dreams, and with one such dream, I joined IS University in 2001. A dream to be a self-dependent, versatile and most importantly, a woman of strong character who can make the world believe that she can and she will make a difference. Whatever I am today is because of the teachers and mentors who crossed my path when I was doing my graduation. They did not only teach me, but they nurtured me to blossom in all seasons of life. I believe that education is not only about academics, it is in fact a strong character building process. And I feel extremely proud to have passed out from IS University, where strong characters are built, which not only make you strong enough to face any challenges, but also outshine in all walks of life. Thank you so much, IS University. Thanks a lot.
The experience of beginning one's college career is a hefty one. There is social and mental aspect of transition to be considered. I chose to study Bachelor of Fine Arts with a dream to become an artist someday. Little did I know that this 4-year specialized course would pave so many career options for me. I explored advertising briefly and then moved on to content writing. I later ventured into public relations and mass communication, which led me to having a career as a corporate communications specialist. I currently work with a leading sports brand at the world headquarters as a senior manager. IS University also has changed my outlook on life and me as a person. The college challenged me academically, socially, and mentally. I've noticed through the way I interact with my peers and teachers that I was more encouraged to discuss aesthetics, theatre, art and literature. My teachers and seniors were amazing, and many of them I'm still in touch with. My college education didn't just add to my skills and knowledge, but also shape my overall personality to make me ready to face the world. My academic experience and the achievements I've reached through the IS University have helped me shape me into the woman I am today.
Steve Jobs had once said, "You can't connect the dots looking forward. You can only connect them looking backward. So you have to trust that the dots will somehow connect in your future." Well, my story of ICG is exactly like these incredible dots which happened to me, waiting to get connected one day. I remember I went through my life's toughest phase of losing my mother to a fatal illness when I was in ICG. But it was because of the support of my professors, a special mention to Shwet sir, who helped me to get through it. They devoted extra time to help me to cope up with my syllabus, as I was a hostler, living all by myself. I emerged as a rank holder in the entire University of Rajasthan in commercial arts. The college gave me opportunities to explore my love for choreography and theatre, and also polish my orating skills as an RJ in the college FM radio. To all you young girls out there, I can only say, if you are an ICG, then you have come to a family which will help you to become the best version of yourself. Today, I am leading a prominent agency in Mumbai with a career span of 13 years, and I owe it all to my beloved college, ICG. Thank you, ICG. You are the reason for the glorious lives thriving in different parts of the world. Congratulations on completing the glorious 25 years and many more such to come.
My journey in design began at ICG. It taught me the language and syntax of creativity. It pushed me to hone my aesthetic sensibilities and taught me to appreciate our rich cultural heritage. After my cultivation in ICG, I had a chance to study further at Parsons Schools of Design, New York. Apart from the creative side of things, ICG gave me ample opportunities to develop my leadership skills, both of which were invaluable in all my endeavors, be it the product design company I own, or the designing and curating of India's story, or even advising different organizations on design and design strategy. So it would not be far-fetched to say ICG laid the foundation on all the wonderful things I do in my life and opened the doors for more enriching experiences. One step often can change the direction of a life. In my case, that was ICG, and I'm so grateful for the impact it had on my life.
Namaskar, I am Ruhi Aluwalia. I am an ex-ICG pass out. Currently, I live in Switzerland. I'm married to a French. I'm a mother of two, a 6-year-old son, a 3-year-old daughter. And I'm the founder of Om Veda Home, which is a holistic healing center here in Lausanne. And I'm practicing yoga, meditation, Reiki. I'm a past life regression hypnotherapist, tarot reader. And all the credit goes to just one person. Who really helped me to explore my academic and non-academic talents and other potential, and that is Dr. Ashok Gupta. Sir, thank you so much for giving me a platform in terms of IIS and ICG where I could really explore my potential, just not the academic side, but there is just so much on the human side. And I thank all the teachers, everybody who's working in the institute who has really contributed in helping me to explore my potential. Thank you all so much, and I just wish you all positive energy and love and lots of love to you and to your families. Thank you so much.
Namaskar, my name is Survi Joshi. On the first day when I entered the premises of ICG, I truly felt that I belonged. Over the next 3 years, I received great support from my professors, the faculty members, and everyone from the ICG family. I also made great friends for life, and I truly enjoyed my time in ICG. My 3 years at ICG laid down the foundation of my future. After graduating from the college, I went on to pursue further studies at the Tata Institute of Social Sciences and then to the Johns Hopkins University in the US on a Fulbright fellowship. For the last 7 years and more, I have been working at the headquarters of the World Health Organization based in Geneva, Switzerland. I would like to take the opportunity to express my sincere gratitude to all the faculty members in ICG. I fondly remember you, and I cannot express my thanks enough. Thank you so much.
As a free-spirited, curious, fudgy kid, life threw big experiences my way, and being at ICG was one of that and much more. Like most of you, I too entered the college gates with a bit of skepticism and doubt, but little did I know that those 3 years would contribute so significantly to the person that I am today and my life choices. Everyday simple gestures like saying namaskar instead of any other greeting taught me to be humble. Doing the aarti and tying a moli before the commencement of any event taught me to be grounded and respect our values and traditions. Even the numerous disagreements backstage with your seniors and classmates over dance, debate, and drama practices taught me to be empathetic and accepting. Facing new and significant challenges every day on campus taught me leadership. I guess what I'm trying to say here is that my journey at ICG made me realize that when you step out into the real world, you not just build a resume of what you want to be, but also of who you want to be. Not just of what you want to accomplish, but why you want to accomplish. I got a platform to express my views, explore my talent, and imbibe values that truly made me into a strong, independent, and world-ready woman.
Namaskar. It's been 14 years since I've passed out from ICG, but it seems like the other day attending one lecture after another. ICG has not only given me a sound foundation on which I built my professional career, but also it has shaped me into a confident individual who's willing to learn at every stage of life. Last but not the least, it has given me teachers who I still seek advice from, and friends for a lifetime. Dhanyavad.
As I sit here today and think about the time back in 2004 when I entered IS University, and how I was an extremely shy person and how talking to even a small group of people was a marathon task for me. Today, I very confidently lecture a crowd of more than 500 students. This happened due to the nurturing I received in my 3 years in college. I became more confident, more aware, more educated, more passionate, and more worldly. I will forever be grateful to IS University for creating so many opportunities for me.
My ICG story is a story of joys and tears. Literally, it's a story of many firsts. It was the first time that I was living away from my parents. It was the first time that I was also able to live with my friends. It was one of the most memorable 3 years of my life being a boarder. And it's like ICG gave me the wings that helped me fly. It helped me realize who I was, who I could be, and what I actually wanted to do in life. I had never thought about working in hotels or working in communications before. It's while my tenure at ICG, being part of various forums and clubs and associations, that I realized that I loved being with people. And I think that's what instilled in me the dream of being a hotelier. And here I am. I've been a hotelier for the last 10 years, and I couldn't have wanted anything else in life. Thank you, ICG.
Hello everyone, my name is Soumya Mathur and I graduated from the IAS Institute in the year 2008. I completed my bachelor's in psychology and French literature. Shortly after that, I completed a master's program in social psychology from the London School of Economics. Since then, since 2009, I have worked as an HR consultant or business psychologist in various companies in countries like Germany, United Kingdom, India, and I currently live in America. When you think about life's board of directors, you think about the people who've made a permanent positive impact on your life. When I think of my life's board of directors, there are so many people at the IAS Institute who unfailingly stand out in my memory. Their impact on my life, their belief in my capacity still serves as a backbone for me 11 years down the line. Ultimately, when we join an organization, we don't join it for the degrees or the letters behind our name. We can get them just about anywhere. We join a community, we join a culture, we love a place for the people that we meet and the lasting impression that they make on our mind. IAS Institute is definitely that place for me. When I think about you 11 years later, I think about you with great warmth, with smile, and a great deal of pride in my heart. So to anybody who is watching this video today, I hope that you see this as a testament to the inspiration, the intention, and the impact of IAS Institute. Thank you and wish you great luck.
Hi everyone, my name is Sumedha and I'm here to say a few words about a place that I dearly miss and I utterly love. It's ICG. It has played a very significant role in helping me reach where I am in my professional life. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank all my lovely teachers and the education system at ICG that helped me reach this point in my career today. I am an account manager with a leading recruitment company in Australia, and I recruit IT professionals for the federal government departments here in Canberra, Australia. And I would like to really thank ICG once again for helping me reach where I am and for making me self-confident, for making me self-dependent, and for making me ready to go and face this world out here. Thank you.